Prasanna. I am studying 8th standard in LPG school, Gullapalli. My project name is LPG gas leakage detector. Components are NQ6 sensor, buzzer, Arduino Uno, jumper cables, red LED, green LED. An LPG gas leakage detector is a safety device designed to detect the presence of LPG gas in an enclosed environment to prevent accidents such as fires, explosions. Leakage LPG is a highly flammable and voltage gas commonly used in households, industries, kitchens, and vehicles, making detection systems ensures for ensuring safety. My friend will be continued.
Hi, my name is Kashasri. I am 8th standard from ZPH School, Gullapalli. My project name is LPG gas leakage detector. LPG gas leakage detector are crucial safety device designed to prevent accidents by detecting hazardous gas concentration before they reach dangerous levels. These detectors are sensitive sensors that can detect even minute trace of LPG in the air, ensuring timely warnings to avoid catastrophic events such as fires or explosions. The choice of sensor directly impacts the detector sensitive accuracy and response time. Finally, we can check it. Thanks for giving us.